Hey everyone, it's Mark with the Foss Home team at Keller Williams Realty. We are the realtors to the stars in Central Virginia, and this is your Central Virginia Real Estate Market Trends Report for January 2014. And you know, with all the snow on the ground and the cold temperatures that we're suffering through this winter, the number one question I get is, why would I put my house on the market when the weather's bad and there's no one out there looking for homes? Well, this month we're going to debunk that theory by looking at the most important thing driving the marketplace right now, inventory. And inventory continues to be low. At the end of 2011, our inventory in the Central Virginia market dropped by almost a third. And the recovery has been slow to the point where it hasn't been significant at all. And that is what is actually driving the marketplace right now. Interest rates were already low at the time and have continued to stay very at historic lows. So interest rates haven't really changed that much. It's the inventory that's driven the market. And this month, I want to take a look at the significance of that and how it has how inventory compares to our 5-year averages. So what we're going to look at is the January 2014 numbers versus 5-year market averages to give us an idea of where the market is trending, because if we look at the trend in the marketplace, it's a lot easier to predict where the market is going. Starting with new inventory, new homes on the market in January, 2,335. The 5-year average for new listings in January is quite a bit more than that. Over 2,800 new listings on average in January. Active listings, which includes the new listings in the market, plus what's already on the market, in January our active inventory was 7,832. The 5-year average for January, actually at the end of January, over 10,000. So you can see a significant difference there. Then we go to average price. Now, with a decrease in inventory, with buyer traffic remaining steady, and of course it's really difficult to measure the number of buyers in the marketplace because they don't get registered like new inventory does, or they don't get listed like new inventory does. But here's how we know that there are buyers in the marketplace, because look at the pricing difference. January's average price, $225,000, just a little above that. The 5-year average in January for sold price, the average, just over $204,000. Going to closed units, January 2014 closed units, 929, the 5-year average, slightly below that. Well, actually, percentage-wise, quite a bit below that, at 807. So you can see that in spite of the fact that we've had snow, we've had cold weather, we've had school closings, and work closings, that the market in January was still strong and the numbers were still strong relative to other Januaries. What does that mean? It means that whether it's snowy and cold out there in January or balmy and warm in the middle of July, it doesn't matter. If you need to sell your home, the time to put it on the market is when you're ready, as long as the market trends continue, and they have now for 2 years. There's no sign of it slowing down, so if you're ready to do it, give us a call and we'll give you specific market trends in your neighborhood for your home to get you the best price in the shortest amount of time. And of course, we have a proven, repeatable system that gets home sellers up to 18% more money for their home than traditional realtors provide. We'd be happy to give you an example of how that works, how our 60-day home selling system works. The Market Trends Report is attached, and look through it. There's a lot of information in there, and I'll be happy to decipher any of that. Stay warm, stay safe, and come on spring. This is Mark for the Foss Home team at Keller Williams Realty, the realtors to the stars in Central Virginia.